channel, you guys. And in this video I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my new phone. Y'all, I've been tracking this phone down forever. I'm so excited, but I bought two phones. I have a 11. I'm not gonna unbox the 11 because I don't really care about that one. I care about this one right here, the 13 Pro Max. Oh, this one goes with this one. Okay, that's cool. But yes, y'all, I'm so excited because I got a new number and everything. Like, I'm just lit. I'm very lit. I'm gonna keep this phone though. This 11 Pro. It's the regular schmegular. But yeah, I'm just damn. Oh, I didn't open this part. I didn't know if I wanted to get this color, but seeing it in person, like, oh my god, it's really, really cute. OMG. I don't even want to use this without, like, is it dead? Oh, it's turning on. So, comes with the basic crap. I have so many chargers. I gotta put my Sims card up in here. Let's see how you do that. I'm gonna take my earring out real quick. Then I gotta set up my mama phone. I bought that 11 for her. Cause she needs a phone. I'm finna set this up real quick. Unable to activate. Your phone cannot be activated because the activation server cannot be reached. Try. Don't play with me. Ever. Weirdo. Ugh, I've been on the phone with these people since yesterday. Like, I'm tired of calling them. Don't make me upset. While this wait, I'm finna set up my mother's phone. Look how I'm opening up this one. But, oh, okay. Face ID. Let me put my hair back. Ooh, this camera is, wow. It's not getting everything. The freak. Follow the arrow. I am following the arrow. Transfer your data. You can download your data from your temporary iCloud storage or transfer it up from your. This phone is weird. I thought it would be like super big. It's not even that much bigger. But I'm loving it. Like the difference. With my mama, I gotta. She don't even have an iPhone, so I gotta like make her an iCloud account. I have to do all this. So hers is gonna take a while. But I'm just setting up all of this crap. I'll set that up later because I know nothing. Waiting for Motion Girl. I call myself Motion Girl, y'all. Don't play. I've been waiting for this phone. I'm not even excited no more. I'm telling you, the value of everything goes down once you get it. Literally. But ooh, her phone is so cute and chic and black. It's giving. I gotta go buy her. Why take my earring out? Blue is not me. I don't know what convinced me to get this color phone, but it's totally okay. I got some phone cases from Amazon for me and her. But this is, I don't know. I got too much going on. Getting my phone activated. This is my privacy screen. I think this is the 11 phone case. So I got her phone case too, because she's very much. Or this is for my phone. This is for her phone. Like I have to do lashes. I don't have time for this.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may be recorded for quality and security purposes. Para español, marque cinco.
It came with all this.
I have your phone number as 573. Sorry, I'm seeing your phone number as 573. If you're calling about an account for that phone number, just say yes or press 1. If not, say no. If you're calling about Spectrum Mobile service, say mobile.
I don't know if I'm gonna like this.
I'm unable to look up your account information at the moment. Let's continue anyway. One moment while I pull up your information. How can I help you today?
Activate phone. Child, I'm glad I have another phone because Spectrum is tripping. But I'm gonna put on my privacy screen protector. Period. Let me call my sister. That went on perfect. This is my new phone, Keely. They say it's working now, so I'm finna try to call my sister. This is my new phone number. I'm finna call my phone. This is my new phone number. My other phone still works, but what the fuck? She just hung up on me. How rude. Cause I don't want everybody to have my number, but you can still text my old phone. That's on you. Okay, my phone is up and activated. I just gotta activate her phone. Cause she want her same number. But I don't think that's gonna be possible. She might not even want this phone because she loves to keep her number. But we're gonna see. This phone is big. It's, I don't know. Let me put her screen protector on because She is rough with phones. Now I gotta carry around 2 phones. But it's the material raw lifestyle.